वेलकम टू आवर चैनल यूट्यूब सक्सेस। आज स्टार्ट करते हैं कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी रिसोर्स। एनर्जी रिसोर्स इट इज ए पार्ट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्स। स्टैंडर्ड 10 का है और इट में आस्क इन अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो। सो स्टार्ट, व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स वी विल फॉलो टू कंजर्व एनर्जी रिसोर्स। एनर्जी रिसोर्स जितने भी प्रेजेंट है, अगर हम कंजर्व नहीं करेंगे तो नियर बाय फ्यूचर इट विल बी डिप्लीटेड एंड फिर और एक बार वो बनाने के लिए बहुत साल लगता है। सो हमें कंजर्व करने के लिए जुडिशियस यूज करना चाहिए। कैसे करेंगे? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सेव करेंगे। वाटर, जब भी हमें ज़रूरत नहीं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का, वाटर का ज़रूरत नहीं है, व्हेन वी स्विच ऑफ द पावर सोर्स विल डोंट यूज वाटर। देन एनर्जी इफिशिएंट इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस टू सेव इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सेव करने के लिए व्हिच कंज्यूम लेस अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, दैट टाइप ऑफ अप्लायंसेस यूज करेंगे। प्रेशर कुकर फॉर कुकिंग फूड, if we use pressure cooker in cooking food then the fuel is conserved। सोलर कुकर यूज कर सकते हैं। एंड बायोगैस एज ए डोमेस्टिक फ्यूल इट शुड बी एनकरेज टू यूज। फ्यूल efficient motor vehicle should be designed, that means which uses less fuel, that is in automobiles, in vehicles. So consumption of petrol and diesel should be done, that means less amount of petrol and diesel will be used। okay, then आते हैं मैनेजमेंट ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस इज नीडेड फॉर द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्स। नेचुरल रिसोर्स कंजर्व करने के लिए मैनेजमेंट चाहिए। देयर आर ऑल्सो एक्ट ऑल्सो देयर, नेशनल इंटरनेशनल लॉज है टू प्रोटेक्ट द एनवायरमेंट। Ganga Action Plan is a multi-crore project then which came in 1985 to improve the quality of Ganga, which according to the survey was conducted and data was collected. The total coliform, a group of bacteria which is found in human intestine, that is it was collected between 1993 to 1994 and the National Award for Wildlife Conservation for the memory of Amrita Devi Bishnoi, who lost her life in the protection of Khejri tree in Rajasthan along with 363 other people. So that is the part of the Chipko movement. It is an example which contribution of the common people towards the conservation of forest. It is an example है चिपको मूवमेंट। जैसे कि आम आदमी का कुछ फर्ज बनता है एनवायरनमेंट को सेव करने के लिए, फॉरेस्ट को सेव करने के लिए, क्योंकि इफ जनरल पीपुल, कॉमन पीपुल नॉट टेक स्टेप, विल नॉट एवर, देन इट विल नॉट बिकम फ्रूटफुल। सो द इट इज द चिपको मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड हग द ट्री मूवमेंट, ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम एन इंसिडेंट इन ए रिमोट विलेज कॉल्ड रेनी इन गैरवाल हिमालय एरिया में, जहाँ पर पीपुल ऑफ दिस विलेज clasped the tree trunk with their arms to protect them from being cut down by the contractor workers. The people acted this way because they know that this mass deforestation would spoil their healthy environment. The forest trees were thus saved. This Chipko movement quickly spread across all the communities and helped in the conservation of forest and thus helped in safeguarding the environment. Now 3R we know: reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce means we should minimize our use of natural resource, source of energy and food materials. Recycles means we should collect materials like paper, plastics, glass and metal alloy. These waste materials should be recycled to obtain these materials again for use. Then comes reuse. In this strategy, we should be encouraged to use things again and again instead of throwing them away, For example, plastic bottle which we get jams and pickles can be reused for storing things in the kitchen. That is an example of reuse. Then comes forest and wildlife conservation. Forests are the biodiversity hotspot. बायोडाइवर्सिटी ऑफ एन एरिया का मतलब क्या है? से नंबर ऑफ स्पेसीज ऑफ डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स लाइक बैक्टीरिया हो सकता है, फंगाई हो सकता है, देन पावरिंग प्लांट हो सकता है, इंसेक्ट हो सकता है, बाढ़ हो सकता है, ये सर नो. तो दीज आर दी डिफरेंट बायोडाइवर्सिटी है. ठीक है. सो मेन एम टू फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन is to preserve biodiversity we are inherited. That means we have to preserve this biodiversity. That means we have to preserve different types of plants, different types of animals, different types of bacteria, different types of fungi, so that overall environment will be protected. Clear? Next, stockholders, we know that the person who are directly or indirectly involved in using the forest product, they are interested in the conservation of forest, are called stockholders. Then comes to hotspot. Hotspot is an area full of biological diversity here. Loss of this diversity lead to loss of ecological stability and ecological imbalance. Then come our sustainable management. Sustainable management आता है management of forest resource wisely to make available for future generation. It is development encourage the judicious use of our natural resource to meet the current basic human needs while preserving the resource for the needs of future generation. Then comes water as a resource. Water is a basic necessity for terrestrial forms of life. Regions of water scarcity are closely correlated to the regions of acute poverty. That means where water scarcity is there means it is related to the poverty completely. Failure to sustain water availability has resulted in the loss of vegetation cover, diversion for high water demanding crops, and pollution from industries and urban waste and less rain. So if water facility is not there, then vegetation will not grow because it needs water. Crops will not grow. Then industrial pollution, generally effluents of the industries go to this water. So if water is not there, then it will go to the either soil. Yes or no? That means pollution at anyhow it will increase. And if water is not there, evaporation is not there, then transpiration is not there, then how rain could take place? So there will be less rain. Clear? Irrigation methods like dams, tanks, these are used in canals. It is used in various parts of India. So it is the water resource. Then we can say we will start next part. So thank you.